Hi, my name's Yvette Jackson-Monk. I'm the programme leader and lecturer on the Criminal Justice degree. So while studying on the Criminal Justice degree, it is a theory-based course, but you can expect to study things like the history of criminal justice, the criminal justice system, media and the criminal justice. I've decided to teach in this area because I have got 30 years service in North Wales Police. I retired in 2016. Prior to retiring, I decided I would go into education. I got my teaching certificate and a master's degree in criminology and criminal justice before I retired. And I wanted to give my knowledge from both a theory perspective and a practical perspective to students who want to go into that field in the future. Like I said, I've got 30 years experience in North Wales Police. Most of that time I was spent as a frontline officer. I was a jailer for a number of years, looking after the prisoners that were brought into the police station. I was coroner's officer for 7 years, so that meant I worked for the coroner, although I was still a police officer. I worked in the control room for a couple of years, where I would answer the phone calls and dispatch jobs to the officers that were responding. The last job I did was a school liaison officer, where I went into schools and actually taught children in the schools on a programme that is unique to Wales. I've learnt a lot of different skills from that. I've got excellent communication skills, able to speak to people from all ages, all backgrounds. I have to be impartial. I don't judge people. I can interact and engage with people at lots of different levels. So, advice I would give to people who want to come into the criminal justice industry, get your qualifications now. When I joined the police, you didn't need a degree, but you need a degree now, and I can see other organisations going down the same route. So for instance, if you wanted to join Border Force, you go in at a higher level if you've already got a degree. And a criminal justice degree is an industry relevant degree for many jobs that you could go into in the criminal justice sector.